Caution: read the directions for use and keep them in a safe place, as you may need to read them again later. If you have any questions, please consult your Integra II delegation or sales advisor. This product has been prescribed for you and may be applied to other laboratories that could benefit from it. If you experience any side effects, please do not hesitate to email Integra II to describe them. What is Farma 25 and what is it used for? Farma 25 is the distribution service recommended in order to guarantee the temperature stability of medicines and their preservation from the moment they are sent by the laboratory until they are delivered to whoever receives the goods. Use Farma 25 to prevent your product from going over the 25 degrees C limit during the different stages of transport. In this way, avoid the thermal bridge produced inside conventional distribution vehicles, which can reach more than 60 degrees C according to temperature mapping that has been carried out. Before using Farma 25, the environment in which your goods are placed for the last 24 hours must be at a temperature less than 25 degrees centigrade. The goods must be correctly identified and registered in the integration file, indicating the service. Check that the point where the goods will be received does not have substantial differences in temperature that could affect the product when it's delivered. Recommendations: Farma 25 is recommended for the following distribution channels: pharmaceutical, healthcare, home treatments, diagnostics, clinical trials, and other specialities or products that require temperature control. Dosage: Farma 25 uses the temperature-controlled storage and pre-storage areas in the Integra II network's 58 operations centers. The fleet of more than 1,000 refrigerated vehicles with dedicated Farma 25 routes in the main pharmaceutical distribution areas offer a temperature-controlled distribution and delivery service. Guarantee: Integra II is the only distribution network in Spain that is certified according to the Cool Chain Quality Indicator standards. We take more than 300,000 temperature measurements, providing temperature traceability that watches over the medicine's optimum state. We maintain the laboratory's high standards of quality throughout the supply chain. Good practices: Farma 25 is a service in line with the GDPs. The status of all vehicles dedicated to Farma 25 is monitored in terms of both location and temperature, and the means by which they are controlled and monitored are calibrated. We carry out temperature studies in the warehouses as well as in the different kinds of vehicles, and we train our personnel in the logistical handling of pharmaceutical products, cleanliness, and the safety and suitability of the methods to be used. Warning: Farma 25 is not a method suitable for cooling a specific volume of goods. It is a means of controlling the environment that surrounds them. The temperature graph is made up of real temperature measurements and not kinetic ones, and they are grouped into 5 stages for every Farma 25 shipment. Available to the laboratory's technical management for 15 days. Side effects: the Farma 25 service comes in association with a program for buying CO2 emission rights by means of Climate Care. It also benefits from the Integra II Going Green program and the successful implementation of the Sender Route Optimization System, with which an annual reduction of over 500 metric tons in CO2 emissions is expected to be seen. Continued use of the product may result in an improvement in your company's reputation.